Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked matcha cheesecake. If you like cheesecake and if you like matcha, this is the one for you. No heavy cream, no vanilla extract, super easy. Let's get started. These are what you need. 10 cookies and 50-gram butter for the bottom, half pound or 200-gram cream cheese, 100 milliliter milk, 80-gram sugar, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon matcha powder, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. I'm making the bottom first, so let's put the cookies into food processor and process. And I'm going to melt the butter using microwave. Let's add the cookie into the butter. Mix it well. Nice and moist. I'm going to put this at the bottom of the mold. Press it down against the mold and make it even. I'm going to put this in the fridge to chill while I make the cream cheese filling. Now, cream cheese filling. Into the same food processor, I'm adding cream cheese, room temperature. Then sugar, 1 egg, milk, mix this well until it's nice and smooth. And I'm shifting flour and matcha powder in here. And let's mix this again. All mixed, so let's take the blade out. And I'm going to drop this on the countertop a few times to remove the bubbles. The cream cheese filling ready and the bottom ready, so let's pour this in here. I'm going to bake this for 1 hour in the oven that I have been preheating at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. It's baked for 1 hour. Let's put the knife around the edge. Cool it down to room temperature, chill in the fridge overnight, and baked matcha cheesecake is ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!